we'll just throw an extension out to the
They are doing the setup for Indiana Jones.
Okay, I'm gonna take off.
Which will premiere
Which one?
tomorrow here near the Grauman Theater. Okay, so these billboards were just put up, so we can't see the front of them yet, but I'm going to try and get around here if I can, which I'm going to run. Okay. And this is going to be the premiere occurring tomorrow for the Indiana Jones movie. And I will put another clip up where you can see more of the billboards from the other angle, and it will be more exciting. We had fun talking to one of the workers here who was very nice.